As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid the SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone Challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Omri Yacobivich, co-founder and CEO.
Hi, my name is Magen, co-founder and CTO.
We're still in stealth mode, but in high level we build an AI-powered lending exchange. If I need to describe Ran in one word, I'll say genius.
Well, Omri in one word, I'd say hustler.
I'm going to be the drone pilot today because we believe in hacks, and basically I have my own DJI drone. So
Start fast and slowly accelerate.
I love the confidence of this team. They literally just raised their money and crashed.
started bad.
Alright. זה לא נרשם אבל, רק התחלנו. זה חדש.
But they're a good team together. They seem to enjoy working together, which is really nice to see.
טוב טוב.
Over competitiveness.
Over competitiveness, over confidence. Actually, he sat in our offices for a while. He should know his way around.
God damn.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah.
Fly or fry, my friend. Fly or fry.
קדימה, קדימה, לאט קדימה, טוב.
Go.
Now they are flying that they have nothing to do with.
זו משם.
טוב.
תעשה את זה מהר ותעצור אותו, שלא יתנדנד.
Now for the last part, the IPO.
טוב. עוד טיפה. שמאלה. זהו. בום.
There you go, guys.
Crashed it.
Crushed it or crashed it. So what do you think worked for you?
I think we're fast, and like Mark Zuckerberg said before, move fast and break things. This is our motto as well.
Yeah, we can only get better from here, I guess. We look? Yes.
Oh.
That's bullshit.
But I think one of the reasons that Hetz invested in us is because we're agile and we move fast and we learn.
Okay, nice.
Next time you're the pilot.